This is an emergency action termination. The furry virus has ended. Emergency action termination has been activated to conclude the crisis of the furry virus. Scientists have finished working on the cure to the furry virus and have successfully cured all furries and turned them back into a regular human. It is all clear. You may now come.
Listen to the message that was just broadcast. The system is currently being hijacked. Stay inside. Come outside. The infection is over.
Hey, you gonna grab me, bro?
Where do you think you're putting me?
Whoa, sour!
Get in his face!
Literally! Cannonball! What the?
DP.
This is a civil emergency message. This is an update to the issued emergency action termination. The message was broadcast by hijackers and the furry virus is currently still going around. Scientists are still working on a cure to get rid of the furry virus before the furry virus takes over the state of Ohio. While scientists work on the cure, please continue to shelter in place until the cure is finished. Right now, there is still little research on the virus. This virus, despite it infecting millions, is not that discoverable by scientists just yet. The cure to the furry virus may take a long time, but don't worry, it will get finished soon. Keep all doors and windows locked. Close all curtains to prevent nearby furries from seeing you through the window.